Oftentimes, I will see my friend Aria for and make this delicious moi recipe. And my throat go nearly cut. As soon as I got these leaves, guess what? The first thing that came to my mind was leave moi. Like, I had to make leave moi. Hey guys, you're welcome back. Today I'm going to be making this delicious moi recipe with a twist. If you don't put eggs in your moi, then obviously you're missing out, because the texture, taste, and aroma was just out of this world. Keep on watching.